Let's take one of the advanced exercise in SolidWorks and you will learn many advanced feature in this tutorial. This is little bit longer, but let's see. See here we have 10 views, 2 isometric views and some are top view, side view, then there is a section view. Section view detail you will see here, section A, section B, then there is a one cross section D at 35 degree and okay, all dimensions are in millimeter. Now we have some parameters, so we have to apply some equations. A70, B50, C35, D37, E17, T2. Okay, we have to find the distance between P1, P2. This is a question of CATICS3D09. This is the number of this example. We just try to recreate what is the volume of this model. So this is the volume we have to find out at the end. Now first let's say this is top model, this is side view. So we will create this outer body, this circular body. You will see here this center body. You will see here this outer radius. There is a section D. Section D, outer body A, angle C 31, 35, then this outer angle 145 millimeter and the gap between these two 5 millimeter. And how much height you will see here, total height, it's B how much, 50. Okay, let's do this first. Then we will cut this at 25 degree. See here we have to trim this 25 degree. Then we will make this tapered body. See, 5 degree, total length 95, 15 millimeter from here. And if you see this radius C how much, 35. So the width also 35. Let's see how we can do this. Now let's apply equations, manage equations, global variable. Now apply A, tab key. Now A value is how much, 70, double tab, again B, tab, and B value 50. Tab, C value, tab 35. Tab, D value, again press tab key 37. E how much, 17. Okay, we forget here 17, tab T 17. Press tab key and thickness 2 millimeter. Okay, this one find. E is equal to 17, T is equal to 2. Okay. If you drop down equations, you will see all the variables. Let's apply front plane sketch. Activate line tool, start from origin and draw the, make little taper, one more taper, connect, right click, choose, select and exit. Make this vertical line construction line, make this one horizontal, smart dimension, define. If keep cursor outside, it will show you diameter, inside radius. Keep this diameter how much, equals to variable A. Okay. Five. Now angle 140. Now angle, this angle 135. Now distance from here to this point given 5. And total length equals to B 50. Look, it seems fully defined this sketch. Go to feature. I want to add material in circular direction. So you have to choose revolve boss base. Now due to this construction line profile is open. So system asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. By default, system took this center line as the axis of revolution and applied here. Now here by default angle 360 degree applied. We need it because we need a complete circular body. Okay. Let's apply some color so that it looks more visible. 252 tab. 152. 132. Okay. Now again right plane, front plane sketch, activate line tool, start from here, make bigger than this body and make this angle. -25 degree. I want to trim this upper side. Go to feature, activate extruded cut feature. Now here I am going to choose through all both. See, but here see flip side to cut. See the arrow moves downward. Click and make move upward. See here it's trimmed. Okay. Now again go to front plane, sketch, activate line tool. Make little taper. Okay, one more line. Let me draw one horizontal line and make it construction. Now see here, these lines co-linear to this. See, this is the important relation. Now let me select make these two lines co-linear at this level. Distance outside to here equals to global variable b (95). And angle given 5 degree. Okay, now this width, go to extruded boss base, add material mid plane so that both side equal amount of material going to add, and this width given C 30. See, unmerge result because I want to make some more modification in this unmerge result. Now we have two bodies. Okay, fillet. Now here full round fillet, first face, activate second face, activate here third face, and you will see the preview. Activate tangent propagation. See. Now see both end there is a cutout. How much this cutout? One end 10 millimeter, other end 8 millimeter. Okay, we have to make this cutout first. Then we will combine the body and top plane we will create this circle. This circle diameter how much? Okay, where we will get this? I believe we have dimension somewhere. Okay, we have here detail view. See, section B. This is important. Outer diameter 17, but it is tapered body. See, 2 degree outward side. So total 4 degree, but we have to apply 2 degree. Okay. And distance is the same, 48 millimeter, the gap between these two. Now let's select this face, sketch, activate corner rectangle, connect this end from bottom. From this side it is 10 millimeter. Extruded cut. But here apply up to surface and select this surface. Okay. Go other side. Sketch, Same corner rectangle, draw rectangle on this face. Smart dimension. Now distance from bottom 8 millimeter. Again extruded cut, not mid, extruded cut. Now up to surface, select this surface. See, now it's time to combine these both body. Go to direct editing, combine. Now select both the parts. Okay, now we have only one body. Top plane, sketch, activate circle. Let me draw two circle. Connect line, one end to other end. Now select origin point and this line, construction line, make constraint midpoint. Equal. Diameter 17, the center length 48 millimeter. Okay, this is little tricky. Let's see how we can do this. Extruded boss base. Keep here mid plane. Now start condition offset 50 millimeter above, because even though you can directly apply equals to variable B. See, this is going to start 50 millimeter above the top plane. Now direction reverse, but here choose up to body. Select this body. Reverse. Now you will see preview, but there is a taper 2 degree out, draft outward side. See, this is important thing. Okay, look, this is little tapered. Now similarly, let's create this model. This diameter 25, then this diameter 18, center distance D is 37. Okay, then there is one hole diameter 12 millimeter and depth how much? 3 millimeter. You will see here, but here inside also. And how long we need to extrude this one? Which view is clear? See, from here to here 5 millimeter away from bottom. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Top face, sketch, draw center line. Let me draw some smart dimension. This dimension 25, 18. Hold shift key, select outside to outside. Equals to global variable D, 37 millimeter. Okay. Trim entity, power trim, and here select keep trimmed entity, because I don't want to lose any relations. So select this one, this one. Now it's trimmed. Fillet. Keep 10 millimeter. Select these two. Okay, cancel. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Fine. Before going to apply this surface, okay, let's exit. Take little up. Okay, let's make thickness. See, in thickness of this body 2 millimeter. See T how much thickness? See this outside to outside 2 millimeter. Okay. Shell feature, apply equals to global variable T. Now select this face, show preview. Okay. See. Now drop down. Select this sketch. Extruded boss base. Choose here offset from surface. 5 millimeter. Which surface? From this surface. Reverse. Okay. Offset from surface. Select this surface. Now you will see the preview. Gap 5 millimeter unmerged result. Make another body. We will later merge. Say okay. See. Select this face, sketch, circle, and draw circle at center point. 12 millimeter remove material, so extruded boss base. Keep end condition blind, depth only 3 millimeter. Okay. Now if you see, these parts are hollow. Okay. Then there is one hole also. Diameter E how much? 17 millimeter. I think diameter is 17 millimeter. So you will see there is a one tapered. We will use this tapered line and create this one. Okay. See the diameter E. Now let me choose front plane sketch. Select this line, convert entity, and make little outside. Okay. Go to reference geometry plane, select the line and end point. You will see a circle going to a plane going to create on this point. Select plane 1, sketch circle. Okay. Let me draw a circle at this point. Diameter how much? Diameter E is equal to global variable E. Extruded boss base. Here choose end condition blind. Simply move material. I want to move up to this body. So simply I am going to activate up to surface. Select this surface. Make sure it is merged and we put body here. Now here uncheck auto select and here choose this body only. So I want to move material from up to this body. Say okay. See here we have two bodies. Now see the wall thickness T by 2. See here T by 2, T by 2. These thickness are small. So we will do this. Let's go to shell. Equals to global variable T by 2 divide by 2. Say equals to. And let me select these two faces. Show preview. Say okay. See. But there is a wall. See this wall. And here also a wall. We have to trim this wall. Which wall I am talking about? Front plane. Okay. See this wall and this wall. We have to trim this one. So for this, let's say I am select this face, sketch, select internal circle, convert entity, extruded cut, make it blind. Let's say depth 23. Uncheck direction 2. Okay. Now this is plane. Now here we have to trim this wall. So just go to surface tool, offset surface, make it 0 and select these 4 faces. Okay. Now cut with surface. Now see this offset surface selected. See the direction, reverse, cut inside. I want to trim inside material which is under this surface. Say OK. See, it is trimmed. Let's check section view. Front section view, OK. See, here also the wall thickness reduced. Here also the wall thickness reduced. Still there are two body. That's why you see this one. Now let's trim this. Front plane sketch, activate line tool, connect one line from this end to make little bigger than the body. Extruded cut. In direction choose through all both, but see arrow move inside, so it will cut this inside part. Choose flip side to cut. See arrow this side. Okay. Now see, it is trimmed. Okay. Now see other side, 15 dia 4 millimeter thickness and distance from outside to here 17 millimeter. Make it inside. See this face up to this internal face. Let's see. Sketch, activate circle, draw two circles. Okay, let me connect. Make sure it's vertical. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to this face 17, 15, and the gap between these two circle 4. Extruded boss base, blind. Okay, even though no problem, make it reverse up to surface. Up to which surface? This surface. See the preview. Okay. Again choose the same sketch. This time I want to remove material, so choose extruded cut. Now here go to selected contour, choose this force. Blind and make depth, let's say 5 millimeter, because this wall thickness is only 2 millimeter. See, okay, we done this one. Now let's come here. This is the important part. See, we have to create solid body up to 20 plus 4. Then we have to make a 8 diameter, depth 20 hole in both sides. Okay, how we can do this? Select this face, sketch, select both, convert entity, extruded boss base, blind, reverse. Okay, how much? 24. Angle 2 degree outward. Now you will see. Okay, if I am going to show you section view, right plane. Okay, see how material going to add here. Select this face, sketch, circle, and let's apply circle at center. Select both circle, equal constraint, diameter 1/8. Look, it seems fully defined. Extruded cut, depth 20 millimeter. Okay, I think we done. Okay, let's see what combine. Okay, now let me hide this surface body. See, now let me do one thing. Appearance, select this face, choose here face blue. Okay, again activate face clear, yellow. Clear, choose here face. Okay, again edit, choose face clear, green, select this face. Okay, for green I think section view, let's say front plane. Okay, take it normal view. See, this is the view we need to create. Okay, let's find out distance P1, P2, the blue surface area, and this is the volume of this model. Let's see if we miss anything. Evaluate, measure. Okay, first select this blue area, 138.24 mm square. See, this is, we receive perfect this one. Clear. Okay, select this point to tangent of this surface. See this distance 55.6. This is exactly we need. Okay, now let's check the total mass properties option, make it higher. Okay, here we miss something. Okay, I think we miss. That's why we lose some mass. Just find out if anything is there. You can tell us in comment section. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.